Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gaink. My name is Mithunde. It is my first video in my channel. If you want to learn something, please subscribe my channel and share this video. So today my topic is how can you remember question answer for a long time. So before going to the topic, we should know these things. Our brain divided into two parts, right hemisphere and left hemisphere, right? And another thing, we should know that what is neuron. Neurons are cells and it transmits the information to other nerve cells. So now I am explaining, when you read any chapter or question answer, then our brain creates one connection. Then if you not read, then you forget. So if you want to remember for a long time, then this gap should be reduced, right? So now question is how gap will be strong. So first day, what we'll do? First day, when you read any chapter or question answer, our brain will make one connection and you have to keep in your mind, before sleep again you have to read first day. And second day, what we will do? Second day, again you have to give revision. After a week, again you have to give revision. After 1 month, again you have to give revision. After 2 months, again you have to give revision. If you do like that, then your connection will be very strong. When your exam will come, you will never forget. So thank you so much for watching this video.